Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix cannot connect to App Store issue on iPhone in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer, Reset iPhone, tap Reset Network Setting, enter your passcode. Again, reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 2. Swipe up. Tap Software Update. Software Update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 3. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Shutdown. Now slider to power or slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your passcode. Solution number 4. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap date and time. Tap select date. Correct your date and turn on set automatically. Thanks for watching this video.